You were failed in exam in that particular subject, and you decided that in life you will not be able to do anything. You will not be able to live live as a $1 million brand just because you failed in that particular exam. But you fail to understand that your report card doesn't decide who you want to become. You will decide who you want to become, not your report card. So similarly, this is a true story. Like, I got a big zero when in max, but everybody started telling me that you're a failure in life. And today I'm proving them that I'm not a failure in life, because that is just one subject. Do you agree? Like, everybody has their specialty. For example, one of you are specialized in real estate, one of you are specialized in a travel. That doesn't mean if you have been given a work of some other, like, as a doctor, hey, go ahead and do, like, that surgery tomorrow. Do you think you will be good at it? You will not. You will fail in that surgery. But from childhood, it was been brainstormed, it was been brainwashed to you that you are a failure because you failed in exam. That means you're not good at the studies. When you're not good at studies, that means you're not going to grow in your life. When you're not going to grow in your life, you will not be able to make as much as income you want in your life. When you're not going to make as much as income in your life, you are going to live like a poor donkey life, which is called as a report card label. Do you agree with this?